Hello everyone, welcome to the new channel Enlightenment. Yes, I am here, your Vindhya Rao, also known as Bio Queen, will be taking up exciting topic, that is why do we yawn. So before starting the session, students, this particular channel will be literally enlightening you regarding science facts, right? So you have to first subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also have to share the video. So yes, why do we yawn? I can tell you, many of you would have been thinking why exactly we yawn. Maybe when we are feeling bored or when we are tired, also especially in that afternoon class, we yawn and then we sleep. And also some of us will be yawning when we see other people yawning. So what is the main reason behind this? So all these reasons and also other facts regarding the yawn, I will be explaining in the present session. So the very first question that we get, maybe in which age that we might have started yawning. So when do we start yawning? So some of you will be telling, ma'am, I would have started yawning when I was in the first standard, maybe I was in the KG class. So when exactly we started yawning? So you will be literally amazed if you know we started yawning when we were in 11th week of embryonic stage in our mother's uterus, right? So you may ask me, ma'am, why exactly we showed yawning in the 11th week of fetal stage? So the answer is obvious. The brain will be start developing in 11th week of fetal stage, and that's why we started yawning. We were able to show yawning in the age of 11th week of embryonic stage in the mother's uterus. But however, you also know that yawning is contagious, right? That is, when we see other people yawning, we too yawn. So this contagious yawning will be started, it will be starting maybe in the age of 1 year, right? So how cool is it? So we started yawning even before our birth, right? And yes, students, do you know that yawning is copycat? Yes, that's why the name of yawning can also be called as copycat yawning, contagious yawning, infectious yawning. So these are other names I can tell you. So why yawning is copycat? Why do we yawn when we see other people yawning? Yes, so reason is definitely the brain cell, the important brain cell called as mirror neurons are the one which are causing for yawning to be copycat. So this mirror neurons was first found by the scientists in the monkeys. So it was a type of brain cell which was able to respond when we perform an action after seeing someone else performing the same action. Yes, so that's why yawning is copycat, basically cause of mirror neurons. You shouldn't be blaming yawning, you shouldn't be blaming your yawn. It is cause of the brain cell that is called as mirror neurons, right? And the next question you will be having, ma'am, which part of the brain that is actually causing for the yawn? Is it only one region of the brain or is it many regions of the brain? So what is that particular region of the brain or that particular part of the brain that is actually causing for the yawning? So definitely yawning is cause of many different regions of the brain, and the yawning is associated with the breathing process. But however, cause of low level of oxygen to the PVN part of hypothalamus. What is this PVN? It is a small part, a subpart of hypothalamus called as paraventricular nucleus. So of the hypothalamus, they are the one which will be able to induce the yawning. That is, whenever this PVN part, when they get less amount of oxygen, they will be triggering, they will be inducing for the yawning. Yes, now the next question, ma'am, you said that yawning is contagious. That is, when we see other people, we do yawn. But how about blind people? They won't be able to see people, right? So even are they able to show contagious yawning? This would be your next question. But again, for your amazement, for your I can tell you, you'll be literally amazed if you know, even blind people, they get contagious yawning. Even they will be able to yawn when they get to know the people around them are yawning. The reason is cause of a sigh. A small sound of yawn would be enough to trigger yawn in the people. That is, even if someone is blind, merely hearing the sigh like sound of yawn is sufficient to trigger their own yawn. Yes, and yes, going for the next fact. Students, I was literally thinking maybe my pets like dogs and cats are the only animals which are able to show yawn, right? Even you might have also thought, and you might be feeling, oh, it's so cute that animals are able to show yawn, some of them, right? But it's not just your some of the pets like cats, dogs, but also including humans, lizards, snakes, fish, crocodiles, monkeys, pigs, all these higher organisms along with the humans, we are able to show yawning. So I can tell you whichever organisms, whichever has hypothalamus and PVN in them, they are able to show yawning. Yes, and next, can I stop my yawning, ma'am? Especially that afternoon class, literally I'm not able to concentrate and I feel bored and I yawn. So can I stop my yawning, ma'am? This would be your next question, right? Like, can we really stop our yawning? And you might have tried as well. So definitely it is not possible to completely stop yawning. You can try, however, right? You can actually try suppressing the yawn by clenching your teeth, closing your mouth and everything. Yes, you might be able to close your mouth, but still you will be literally, yawning inside your mouth. So go ahead and test this. When you feel the urge to yawn, do your best to inhale normally while keeping that, teeth locked down. It feels horrible, right? So, however, you can try, but, part of the mechanism of yawning is actually opening your mouth, opening your jaws. So, even if you try closing your mouth while you yawn, you will be yawning inside your mouth. That's it. Yes, but I ask you, why to stop this yawning? Because yawning is a beautiful, amazing, awesome thing. Because it's not like me who is saying, and it's not like you who are experiencing, but also scientists, they themselves made a research, or I can tell you survey, and they asked people to rate yawning. So it was found that people were rating 8.5 out of 10 point, the happiness scale they were able to give, right? When they were yawning. So, yawning is really a happy, awesome feel. Let's not stop it, correct? And yes, how long we can yawn, ma'am? Can I go for Guinness record? Can I try yawning for 1 hour, maybe half an hour at least? Yes, what can be the duration? Like how long I can try yawning? Yes, so to be very frank, students, approximately you are able to yawn for 6 seconds, and it is universal. It's not like you can extend your yawn for 1 hour, 2 hours. It's impossible. Even you cannot extend it for 1 minute. So maximum maybe 2 to 3 minutes would be here and there in this 6 minutes. But however, this is approximate, duration or length of yawn, and definitely this is universal in all the culture, across the globe. Yes, so I hope you have liked the video a lot. You should be liking this, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and definitely students, you have to write in the comment section which is the fact that is really liked by you, and also you have to tell me which is the fact that I have to come up with in the next session. Yes, so also students, this is the perfect time to take the subscription. The reason is crisis time. So everywhere you are locked down inside your house, you can literally do the maximum, you can actually study for the maximum for various exams, right? So if you take the subscription, you will be able to get better guidance, you will be able to better prepare with the top educators of India for various exams, various subjects. And now coming to the benefits, if you take the subscription, you will be able to attend live classes every day, interact with the educators, and definitely test series will be there, doubt clearing sessions will be there soon after the 3 classes. And also students, you will be able to write maximum mega quizzes, weekly quizzes if you take the subscription. And test series is super amazing thing. Let me tell you, we will be giving you the series of tests, and with these test series, you will be able to solve maximum questions. Once these test series are being solved, we will be also analyzing the test series that you have written. We will be analyzing why a particular options are wrong, why only one particular answer is right, and what is your ranks and everything. We will be analyzing in test series and analysis classes. Now, what exactly I teach in the Plus platform or in the subscription classes? So I take up classes for foundation and NTSC category. So I take NTSC, NSCGS, NEET courses for foundation and NTSC category students. Also I take up CBSE 9th and 10th in the both CBSE 9th 10th category as well as in foundation and NTSC. right? So all of my courses are available. Also previous courses you are able to watch if you take the subscription, not that the one course which is running now or which is going to come up in the next month or as such. Previous courses also can be downloaded, watched, exams, mega quizzes can also be written. But how to take the subscription? Very simple. Install the app, install Unacademy Learning app, click on the plus option. So when you click the plus option, you get to see different goals. So since you are studying in class 9, 10, maybe 6, 7, any class, you can actually prepare for various exams by going for foundation and NTSC, because over here we teach for NTSC, NSGS, NEET and many more, right? Let's say you do not want to take this, you do not want to write these exams, simply go for CBSE 9th and 10th, right? So once you go for any goal, then click on get subscription. When you click on get subscription, you will be able to see different month subscription. 1 year, 2 year is really affordable, and you must take it if you are going to take up foundation and NTSC subscription. But however, never ever forget to use the code VRLive while taking the subscription. I can tell you it is an eco-friendly code of BioQueen. Yes. So while taking subscription, use the code VRLive both for foundation and NTSC as well as CBSE 9th and 10th category students. CBSE 9th and 10th category students, you have got a great opportunity. You can also watch the classes of 11th and 12th. You can prepare for your 11th, 12th board exams. I can tell you right from your 9th, 10th itself, right? So while taking the subscription, you know what code you have to use. And like the video, share the video, more importantly subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to use the code VRLive while taking the subscription. Bye bye.